All right, in the next Innovation Zone test of the Galaxy S8 Active, we're going to see just how water resistant this phone really is. All right, we're here for the second Innovation Zone test of the Samsung Galaxy S8 Active. It's early January in Wisconsin. It's freezing cold. It's about 9 degrees, 8-9 degrees. So we're gonna give it a shot in the water, see how it holds up. All right, so Samsung guarantees this phone down to 5 feet of depth for 30 minutes. We're obviously not gonna leave it out here that long because it's so dang cold, but I think this these single-digit temperatures and the cold air and cold water will really ramp up the test. So here we go. You're still recording. All right, everybody. Well, it's still working. The selfie video was running the whole time. And after this test, I'm pretty confident that, that it'll stand up. And I take it out duck hunting, fishing, deer hunting, whatever. So stay tuned for the next Innovation Zone test of this phone. We'll see what kind of abuse we can put it through.